We're going to show you and walk you through our version 3 of the copy trade at Bybit. So as you can see, this is the past result. Okay, this is version 3. So we actually got version 1, 2 and 3. So version 1 we actually no longer open. Version 2 we actually combine with version 3 right now. So we also have another version 4 later I'll be showing you all. So once you have this thing right, you can actually see 7 days result, 30 days result and 90 days result. Okay, but of course no 90 days, it's only like less than 30 days that we actually opening here. So why we actually trade, we actually use very small amount at $25 to $30 to trade, so that whoever that copy right can actually see the, you actually go by ratio. So you can actually see our followers. So we can see these are all the followers. I think one of the followers I can talk about is this future trading. This future trading actually started from $200. Okay, so 26 days actually earn 245. Okay, I'm not saying that everybody will have the same result per se, and do take note, trading is always a risk. So what you need to do is that when you see profit, just draw back your principal, then you will not be so stressed. Okay, then of course one of the best practice right is, like, for example, if you really make extra $200, you can actually draw 50 to put on your funding, just in case, when the market very fluctuate, then you see that you saw there's a liquidation on your positions, you can actually pull your funds over to make sure that your funds is exceeded with the trading, so it will be quite safe. Yeah, always come in the community and check when is the position that close off, because most likely we try to do close every day. Okay, but we won't be informed everyone. So Jamin, this account actually started $800 3 days ago. So you see these 3 days is 135. Damien is actually started from, if I'm not wrong, is $200 if I'm not wrong. And this Mr. Very Rich started from 150 3 days. The profit is $21. Do take note all these things is before commission. So actually we do charge a commission at 37.5. From the time to time we might change. We might increase, we might decrease, but most important that you are making profit. Okay, so this just started this account. Okay, Devin, so this account is by my son Devin. He actually started $150, 3 days make 14.63. okay, so this is it. So if you wanted to join right, you can actually join our public group. So yeah, and if you join with our Bybit link, do take note, we're actually going to launch, like, target is bi-weekly. We will do an airdrop for whoever that sign up with us. So when I say this, for example, we might take, let's say, $300 or $500 to put it into the community. Whoever sign up with us, you are able to claim part of it, the pool of funds, because we want to create a very amazing reward system for whoever that sign up with us. So if you want to join the copy trade, okay, you need to pay for the lifetime membership, $777. So we are actually having discussion, might set a 10,000 limit. So if you want to join, you better join earlier, because full launch is on September. Okay, anything you can DM admin. So another account is Pips Me Baby. Okay, this is a very interesting thing. This one is actually by Bybit, is under copy trading called TradeFi. So this account is actually part of it that we trade in USDT, USD, JPY. So this one can trade forex, gold, commodities, all these things. So this is a very new thing that created by Bybit. I think quite a while. So you can see the past 30 days, we just started. So the past 30 days we're actually doing quite good result. So you all can have a look. So if you wanted to join, this one is open to public, that you don't have to pay to join. Okay, if you want to know, we will put the link below, or you can just join in the community and we will show you.